Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Are you ready to take charge of your finances and achieve your financial goals? In this video, we've got you covered with 5 essential tips for effective money management. Each tip comes with a clear explanation and real-life examples to help you grasp the concepts and put them into action. From creating a budget to investing wisely, we'll guide you through the steps to financial success. But it's not just about numbers, it's about securing your future, building that emergency fund, and gaining financial peace of mind. So grab a pen and paper, and let's dive into these powerful money management tips that can transform your financial journey. Let's make those dreams a reality. Let's get started. Here are 5 tips for effective money management, each accompanied by a brief explanation and an example. Tip number 1. Create a budget. Creating a budget helps you track your income and expenses. Allocate funds for essentials like bills, savings, and entertainment. Stick to your budget to avoid overspending and ensure financial stability. For example, let's say you earn $2,000 per month. After deducting essential expenses like rent, $800, bills, $150, groceries, $200, transportation, $100, and savings, $300, you have $650 left for discretionary spending. Tip number 2. Save regularly. Allocate a portion of your income to savings each month. This builds an emergency fund and provides a safety net during unexpected situations. For example, save 10% of your income every month, $200 if you earn $2,000, to build a robust emergency fund. Tip number 3. Eliminate debt. Prioritize paying off high-interest debts like credit cards to avoid accumulating unnecessary interest payments. Focus on debt reduction to improve your financial health. For instance, if you have a $1,000 credit card debt with 20% interest, aim to pay off more than the minimum amount each month to clear the debt faster. Tip number 4. Invest wisely. Explore investment options that align with your financial goals. Investing can grow your wealth over time and secure your future. As an illustration, consider investing in stocks, bonds, or mutual funds based on your risk tolerance and financial objectives. Tip number 5. Live below your means. Avoid overspending on luxuries and unnecessary items. Live below your means by making conscious spending choices to free up funds for savings and investments. For instance, instead of buying a brand new car, opt for a reliable used vehicle to save money and allocate more to your savings and investments. By implementing these 5 money management tips, you can take control of your finances, achieve your financial goals, and pave the way for a more secure and prosperous future. We hope this video was very helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any queries, let us know in the comment section. Now you have learned money management skills. Take benefit from it while maintaining your finance. Also, share this video with your friends and encourage them to learn management skills. This is all for today's video. See you in the next one. Till then, keep learning and keep improving.